Let me show you how to block rooms for expected arrivals. Room blockings are checked at the beginning of all shifts. Why do you think we must do that?
Is it to ensure the room is ready prior to guest arrival?
Yes, and a few other reasons, like making sure the preferences are met. So let us see how room blockings are done. In order to block room, we first need to print out the arrival report along with the guest preference, and trace from the property management software. You will also need the vacant room report, so that you can block the room accordingly.
What should we do when we do not have the rooms as per the preference?
I will tell you, but before that, we must block all rooms as per the preference, request or history. This includes smoking or non-smoking room, bed type preference. Once you have blocked the room, you must check to see the room status. If it is in dirty status, you must call housekeeping department and update them of the blocking. If there are any special requirement, like an extra bed or baby crib, you must pay attention and add a do not change status to that room. Why do you think we must do that?
Is it so that we can avoid this room to be given to anyone else? That way, I think we can also prevent extra work for housekeeping.
Wonderful. I am happy that you understand the importance of teamwork between front office and housekeeping teams. Now to answer your earlier question. What should we do if we do not have rooms in the particular type? In that case, we must keep it on our trace and allocate the rooms as soon as it is ready. But your task will not end with just blocking the rooms. You also have to follow up with housekeeping and keep them informed on any big block's arrival, so that they can have the requested room ready for you.
So let me see if I got all that you said. Print out arrival report, check preference and allocate room accordingly. If there are any special requests, mark the room as do not change.
You are correct. That in a nutshell is how you block rooms for arrival.
I learned something new today. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, and follow me on this learning journey.
For learning about more departments, visit clarifiedbetter.com, and look at our courses for people in the hotel industry.